Can you guess the Clash Royale emotes by their sound? It's impossible to get the last one. Let's go. Starting light. Crying King. Before we level up, big props to everyone who got the 6-7 last time. Yep, it was the Night Witch. Second easy one. Don't overthink it. Angry King. Last easy. Take your free crown. Laughing Goblin. Bonus round, you're about to hit Ultimate Champion, but don't message the first person that pops up when you click share, then more. Medium level now, stay sharp. Screaming Hog Rider. You're not OG if you don't get this one. Crying Skeleton. Last medium, don't slip. Yarn Princess. Hard level now, lock in. Oh no Goblin. What's this one? Electro Wizard King. Last hard before 6-7 challenge. Kissing Princess. Alright, deep breath. Are you really ready for the 6-7 level? Follow me for more Clash Royale trivia. Let's go. Prove your OG. Lock your answer in the comments.